Welcome to the channel. We're going to make a wire tree armature. I'll be using this 16 gauge rebar wire for this demonstration. I'm going to cut about 8 pieces at about 4 feet. You want to go with an even number. We will be dividing this as we go. Now I'm going to bend the wire in half and make a loop, like so. And now I'm going to place this loop into a vise. And if you don't have a vise, maybe you have a hook. And now we're going to start twisting this wire, like so. Now this particular wire is pretty hard to bend. I'm going to divide it in half. I'm just going to repeat the same process. Separating it, untangling it. Got a nice little bend happening here. Or I could have started another offshoot at that point. This looks like it's going to be a long, wispy tree. You just have to untangle it here and there. And there you go. Now we're going to work on the roots. You want to take your loop and divide it up. We're going to cut these. And you twist these just like you did the top of the tree. And you can make all sorts of different trees, and you can keep bending these until you get the shape you want. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.